The Damer's ready to go into the water. Whee! There has been shark sightings around here, but I didn't tell him that. Oops. I mean the abalone. Now these are the green lips, yeah?
Yeah, these are roe.
Roe. Nice size, good munging. That's going to be our dinner tonight. G'day Will, how you going mate?
Good.
So what do you want to do mate? Jet ski?
Yeah.
Let's get some squid first.
Yeah.
And then we'll jump on the boat after, eh? Just look. Oh, that's my favourite. Oh, you got my favourite one. Oh, I wonder why you handed me this one. Come to Papa. This one's a nice one, look at that. Look at that, Will. Look at that, buddy. Hey?
Yeah, big dog.
Nice. Quick, pick him up, pick him up. All right. Oh, no, Will. Eat the jet ski. All right, you know what to do now? And clean the squid. Now, Will's clean the jet ski. G'day, mate. Morning. Well, anyway, me and Damo. I don't know if you can see Damo. There he is. Morning, Damo. We're going to go get some abs. Well, I'm driving. He's going to get the abs. So anyway, see what we can get. And I hope you're going to get by sharks. So Damo's just getting ready to go into the water. Whee! Now it's going to keep an eye on him. There has been shark sightings around here, but I didn't tell him that. Oops. The rocks there. Looks like a seal. Got a few by the looks of it. Hey! Here's the starfish. I mean the abalone. Now these are the green lips, yeah?
Yeah, these are roe.
Roe. Nice size, good munging. That's going to be our dinner tonight. We're going to have a barbie at the beach tomorrow, I think. Alright, see what's up next. What we're doing is I'm dropping Damo off and I'm going to pick up one of our guys that watches the channel. So he wants to come out with us. So g'day Will. How you going mate? How you going mate? Good. This is Will. Tanya. Dwayne. This is Will's parents. Hey. So anyway, Will, I've got a present for you, mate. We haven't got any fishing shirts there, but your dad's got that now. This is yours. This is for the filming today, so look, you know, you got the hat already. Give your dad a hat too. There you go.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah, there you go. So what do you want to do, mate? Jet ski?
Yeah.
And what do you want to do? Let's get some squid first.
Yeah.
And then we'll jump on the boat after, eh? What do you reckon? Don't get too excited.
Yeah.
All right, we're going to take Will for a ride. See you soon. All right, Will, so we've gone through all the safety gear stuff. You know about the EPIRB, you know about the radio. Now, you never ridden jet ski before, but I'll give you a crash course today. So, just in case I fall off, which I hope not, you'll know how to come and get me. Take the spare keys down in here. All right, Will, let's go get them. Are you ready for an aquaholic today?
Yeah.
We just got back from getting some abs this morning for brekkie. I think is this your parents here? Yeah, your dad and his mate. All right, let's go give him some shit. Here we go. So we're, I got the white one. What colour you got, buddy? Just look. Oh, that's my favourite. Oh, you got my favourite one. Oh, I wonder why you handed me this one. All right, Will, we're gonna see what we can do, mate. This spot sucks. We're gonna go and better find another spot, eh? With some clear water. Come on, buddy! Alrighty, we got a good one here. Taking a while. Changed jigs because it was a little bit quiet, and bang! Look at that, straight away. And you know what the only thing is? I forgot the net. But we got a squid for dinner, Will. Yep. Alrighty. Oh, this one here will fit 15 people, this one. Look at the size of this one, mate. Look at that. Squid, beautiful specimen. Now, what is the trick? So you have to pull it towards you, and then away from you, if that makes any sense. You got a line there? Oh. Good boy. Get your jig down, get your jig down. There's 3, 4 there. You haven't got your glasses on, mate. Here he comes, he's gonna get him. You're on.
Whoa.
You're on? All right, Will. You got this one. I think I saw another one down there. I'll get him in. I'll deal with yours. Land your first squid off a jet ski. And pick him up and grab him around the neck. That's it. Have you watched the show? Remember on the show what you do? Right behind his head.
Come on, boys.
Will, look at this. Oh, hey. This one's wearing a saddle. Will, we've got another squid, mate.
Yeah.
And there's another one down there too. Just there. Drop it, drop it. Drop him. That's it. Let him go. I'll hold this squid out there for the other squid to come in. Now I just saw him in the corner of my eye. Drop him. Keep dropping. Keep dropping. He'll come to you. There he goes. I can see him going to you now. You're engaged.
Yep.
And now try now. You're on.
Yep.
And there's another one down there too. Come to Papa. See if I can get in.
I told mine to get on.
Yeah, that's right. Get him up here. Wait. Look at that. Turn around. This one's a nice one. Look at that. Look at that, Will. Look at that, buddy. Hey.
Yeah, big dog.
Nice. Here's a nice specimen. You got yours in? You remember how to do it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So grab the line, and then otherwise you're going to lose him. Don't even put him back in the water, as you'll make more ink. And then, and keep it away from me. Grab him around the neck, upside down. Get the water out, upside down. Hold him upside down. No, right behind his eyes. That's it there. And just put him to sleep. Good night, Charlie. There you go. Beautiful. Hey, don't point at me. What are you doing? Well done, mate. Well done. Woo! Good on you, mate. All right. Oh, Will, we're on again, buddy. I was just holding him out there because if you leave him out there slowly like this, the other squid, if there's any around, they want some of the action too. So he is big. Woo! Look at that. Look at that, Will. We got squid. It is, mate. You want to grab him? There we go. You got that? Got the line? There you go. Up she goes. Up she goes. Don't let him go back in the water. He's all, quick, pick him up. Pick him up. All right. Oh, no, Will. Eat the jet ski. All right, you know what to do now? Holy shit. There is crap everywhere.
Yep.
Guess what, buddy? I won again. And this one is probably the biggest one out of all of them. Look at that. Oh, no. You got to be kidding me. Come back. Will,
Yeah.
I think I'm on, mate. I think I'm on. I really think I'm on. Not as big as the one I just lost, but it's a squid. He's just a little specimen. He's full, so you got to grab him and turn him upside down straight away, yeah? Upside down straight away, upside down. Get rid of that water. That's it. Beautiful. All right, let's see if there's another one there. All right. Oh, the day's just gone. Beautiful. This is amazing, mate. Woo. Loving it. And loving being on the jet ski. Yeah. So we've come back in and cleaned the squid. Now Will's cleaned the jet ski. G'day, mate.
Alright.
How was it?
Good.
Was it alright?
Yep.
Gonna grab some lunch and then we're going to go out in the big girl and get some fish. We've done the abalone, we got the squid, and now we're going to get some fish. That's our mission for today and this afternoon, so hopefully we get some fish. Well, we didn't end up going fishing today, so what I've decided is that we came to a nice beach location with my beloved and we're going to eat the abalone that we caught this morning with Damo, and what we've done is that we've just crumbed it and I'm simply going to put them in some oil and then we're going to have some rolls. That's what we're going to be doing today. So, but have a look at this location. This is one of my favourite locations. So look at this. You know, this is awesome. So this is where I decided to come for a little bit of dinner. So that's what we're having tonight at the abalone, and I can't wait. I'm excited. Yum yum. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I will do another one, I think, maybe after this one. But if not, we really appreciate you guys subscribing, sharing it around, giving us a thumbs up. Leave some comments about what you want to see, what you want us to do, because we're good for it. We're up for anything. And these flies are kicking the shits. Please, look at that. Cook, 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 cook. Abalone. Okay, so I've just got a buttered roll. I'm just going to chuck these ones in here, nice and crunchy. Make sure they're really cooked and, brings fly spray. That goes in there. And then I'm just going to open her up. Now I'm going to use a little bit of coleslaw dressing because that's what we had. And I'm just going to put a bit of that in there. Oh, you know what? Bought the new one, of course. So a little bit of coleslaw dressing. Here we go. Yum, yum, yum. Nice. Just a little bit of salad or lettuce, whatever. So I think it's, a bit of greenery. Yum yum. I don't think we've got anything else, have we? That's it, isn't it? Mm-hmm. Just shove it all in there like that. And then like that. I mean, it's just simple. Dinner at the beach. And the flies too. They're here. All right. Thanks, guys. Really enjoy it. I think it's just really simple, but it's just from the ocean, just straight this morning. Can't get any fresher than that. Get in. See you soon.